Did you know there are plants that not only survive in winter, but actually thrive and keep your home feeling fresh and alive? And right now, in November, is the perfect time to bring them in. Imagine coming home to lush greenery and a boost of fresh air, no matter how cold and dreary it gets outside. Stick with me, because I'm going to share the best indoor plants to grow in November that will keep your home looking vibrant all winter long. Hi there, plant lovers! November doesn't have to be a dull month for greenery. Even though temperatures are dropping outside, you can still enjoy beautiful plants that brighten up your space, improve your air quality, and are easy to care for indoors. Let's dive into some of the best indoor plants you should consider bringing into your home this month. Snake plant first up. We have the classic snake plant. This plant is practically indestructible and needs very little light or water to thrive. In November, as days get shorter, it's perfect because it doesn't mind low light conditions. Plus, it's one of the best for purifying indoor air. Just place it in a corner, water it sparingly, and let it do its magic. ZZ plant. Next, let's talk about the ZZ plant. This is another plant that's super low maintenance and ideal for anyone who might forget to water from time to time. Its glossy green leaves add a pop of color, and it can tolerate both low light and lower humidity, which is common in winter. November is a great time to get a ZZ plant because it will bring a lively touch to your home without demanding much from you. 3. Pothos. Another top pick for November is the pothos, also known as the devil's ivy. This plant is incredibly easygoing and grows beautiful trailing vines that you can let dangle or even train along a shelf. Pothos can thrive in low light, so even if you have limited sunlight during the colder months, it'll still do great. And it's very easy to propagate, meaning you can grow more plants to fill your home with vibrant greens. Peace lily for a touch of elegance. The peace lily is perfect. This plant produces gorgeous white blooms that bring a touch of brightness to your space. It's a natural humidifier and air purifier, so it helps with indoor air quality, especially when you're spending more time indoors in November. Just give it indirect light, water it regularly, and watch it bring some peaceful vibes into your home. Spider plant. But not least, let's not forget the classic spider plant. Known for its long, arching leaves and little baby spiderets, this plant is lively, fun, and super easy to care for. It's a resilient plant that tolerates a range of indoor conditions, making it ideal for November. Plus, you can easily share baby spider plants with friends or start your own collection. Imagine the freshness, the life, and the color these plants can add, even when everything outside starts to slow down. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try, or if you already have a favorite indoor plant that keeps your space lively. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more indoor plant tips and tricks. Let's keep our homes green, fresh, and lively all year round. Thanks for watching. Remember, bringing plants into your home isn't just about looks. It's about creating a peaceful, uplifting space that makes you feel connected to nature, even in the colder months. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy planting!